Soul Serpent Survival here. Finally got a Diamondback cover for the Toyota Tundra, and looking forward to putting it on. I just recently finished up installing my mom's new DiamondbackHD cover for her 2024 Tundra. It's fairly easy install. Just start by getting the back open. So some nice hydraulics, so you don't worry about it coming down. So here underneath the lid, first of all, you can see the center beam, I guess you could call it. That's where the panels are attached. Then underneath the panel, I have a couple of accessories. This is a Built Right Industries Molly panel. We've got a shovel and a med kit bag on there right now, but that's most likely going to change in the near future. And also got a bar light attached there at the top. Moving on to the front. Get this open. Right here you can see there's a safety bar. To disengage that, just push up on it. And that gives you access to any items you have here towards the cab. Something else I meant to mention is that this cover has a 1,600-pound weight capacity. So you can haul kayaks, ATV, you can put a tent on here. I mean, 1,600 pounds is a lot. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of testing with this. Thanks for watching.